Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling the phone features that make tethering work. This saves time. First, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Make sure mobile data is active and signal is good. Without data, tethering won't pass Internet. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you plan wireless tethering, and turn on USB debugging in developer options for a stable USB link. Once done, you'll be ready to choose the laptop connection method and proceed to pair or plug in. Now you'll make the actual connection, and I'll explain why each choice matters. If you use Wi-Fi hotspot, create a strong SSID and WPA2 password so others can't piggyback on your data. Then connect from your laptop's Wi-Fi menu. For Bluetooth, pair the devices to save battery but expect slower speeds. Go to Connected Devices and pair new device, then connect to Internet via Bluetooth PAN. For USB, plug the cable and enable USB tethering for fastest, most reliable throughput, and charging at once. Finish by confirming connectivity and understanding recovery steps. Check your laptop's network icon, confirm an IP and gateway, then open a browser to test a page. This verifies end-to-end. Monitor phone battery and data usage. USB tethering both supplies internet and charges the phone, which is useful. If you don't get internet, toggle the tethering option off and on, reboot phone and laptop, and on Windows, reinstall the USB or Bluetooth drivers. These steps clear common handshake and routing problems.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.